China has over 240,000 factories making machines like this, but almost everyone on YouTube shows you laser cutters and t-shirt printers. Meanwhile, there are hidden machines that produce everyday products people buy non-stop, and many of them are still not being made locally in most countries. In this video, I am going to show you 20 powerful machines that almost nobody in America is using, and some cost less than $500. From low-cost setups, you can start with a few $100s to bigger machines with serious earning potential. Some of these can produce thousands of items per hour, and the margins can be surprisingly high. The best part, these are not complicated ideas. These are simple products people already need, which means the demand is already there. And when fewer people know about them, the competition stays low.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 1. Compressed Towel Machine. This small but powerful machine turns a regular cotton towel into a tiny coin-sized tablet. Just add water, and it instantly expands into a full towel. It feels surprising the first time you see it, and that is exactly why it sells so well. The machine costs between $300 to $800, and it can compress thousands of towels every hour. Each towel costs around 3 cents to 8 cents to produce, and you can sell it for 25 cents to $1. These are used in restaurants, hotels, gyms, salons, and even for travel kits. One small business client ordering monthly can bring steady income. This is a simple product, but the profit margins and repeat demand make it very powerful. Number 2. Melamine Sponge Manufacturing Machine. This machine produces those popular white cleaning sponges that remove stains using just water. They are widely used in kitchens, bathrooms, and even for cleaning shoes and walls. The machine costs around $500 to $2,000, and it works by cutting large foam blocks into smaller sponge sizes. 1 kilo of material costs about $1 to $3, and you can make 20 to 40 sponges from it. Each sponge can sell for 50 cents to $2, depending on packaging and branding. These products went viral online, which increased demand even more. It is a simple product with strong repeat sales, and the profit margins can be very attractive at scale. Number 3. Hot Stamping Machine. This machine adds a premium finish to products by pressing heated designs onto surfaces like leather, paper, wood, and packaging. It is what gives business cards, notebooks, and wallets that gold or silver embossed look. The machine costs around $200 to $600, making it one of the most affordable options. The cost to add stamping is very low, often just a few cents, but you can charge $1 or more per item. For example, a basic product can instantly feel high-end with this finish. Businesses are willing to pay extra for customization and branding. This is more of a service-based business, but the profit margins are extremely high for such a low investment. Number 4. Spiral and Stick Incense Machine. This machine produces incense sticks and spiral incense automatically using natural materials and fragrances. You simply prepare the mix, feed the machine, and it outputs finished sticks ready to dry and pack. The machine costs around $400 to $1,000, and it can produce between 5,000 to 10,000 sticks per hour. A pack costs about 10 cents to 20 cents to make, and it sells for $1 to $5. Incense is used for relaxation, meditation, and home fragrance, and demand keeps growing worldwide. You can also stand out by using local scents like herbs and natural oils. This gives you a unique brand with strong profit potential in a growing market. Number 5. Reusable Mesh Bag Manufacturing Machine. As plastic bags disappear, reusable mesh bags are becoming a must-have for grocery shopping. This machine cuts, stitches, and forms these bags automatically using cotton or recycled materials. The machine costs around $200 to $500, and it produces 200 to 500 bags per hour. Each bag costs about 10 cents to 25 cents to make, and sells for $1 to $4. These are popular in supermarkets, organic stores, and eco-friendly brands. You can also customize them with logos for businesses. That opens up bulk orders and branding deals. It is a simple product with growing demand and strong profit potential. You have seen some solid ideas already, but the next few machines take things even further. One of them turns waste into a product that sells for over $20 per kilo, and most people completely ignore it. Number 6. Kitchen Sponge Manufacturing Machine. This machine produces everyday kitchen sponges that people constantly need and replace. It cuts and shapes foam, then adds an abrasive layer for cleaning. The machine costs between $2,000 to $5,000, and it can produce 500 to 2,000 sponges per hour. Each sponge costs about 2 cents to 5 cents to make. A pack of 3 sells for 50 cents to $150, depending on branding and quality. This is a fast-moving product sold in supermarkets and local stores. Since people buy them regularly, demand never stops. It is a simple product, but the consistent sales volume creates strong profit potential over time. Number 7. Woven Label Manufacturing Machine. Every clothing brand needs labels, and most small brands struggle to find local suppliers. This machine lets you produce custom woven labels with logos, sizes, and designs. The machine costs between $300 to $800, and it can produce 1,000 to 3,000 labels per hour. Each label costs around 1 cent to 5 cents to make and sells for 5 cents to 50 cents depending on complexity. Your customers include clothing brands, designers, and small workshops. In many areas, there is little to no local competition. That means you can become a go-to supplier. This is a steady business with repeat orders and strong profit potential. Number 8. Rope Twisting and Manufacturing Machine. This machine produces ropes from materials like cotton, jute, nylon, and polyester. It can create different thicknesses for different uses. The machine costs between $800 to $3,000, and producing 1 kilo of rope costs around $2 to $5. It can sell for $8 to $20 per kilo, depending on quality and use. Ropes are used in construction, farming, decoration, and even handmade crafts like macrame. Decorative rope products often sell at higher prices. With wide applications and growing demand in home decor, this machine offers flexible production and strong profit potential. Number 9. Bamboo Straw and Cutlery Manufacturing Machine. This machine turns raw bamboo into eco-friendly straws and cutlery like forks, spoons, and stirrers. As plastic use decreases, bamboo products are becoming more popular. The machine costs around $2,000 to $6,000, and each set costs about 3 cents to 8 cents to produce. These sets can sell for 25 cents to 75 cents. Restaurants and cafes are actively switching to biodegradable options, and many still rely on imports. If bamboo is available locally, your costs stay low. This is a growing market with eco-conscious buyers, making it a smart opportunity with solid profit margins. Number 10. Paper Napkin Manufacturing Machine. Paper napkins are used everywhere, at home, in restaurants, and at events. This machine takes large paper rolls, cuts, folds, and packs them into ready-to-sell bundles. The machine costs between $300 to $800, and it can produce 200 to 500 packs per hour. Each pack costs around 5 cents to 10 cents to make, and sells for 25 cents to $1. This is a simple, high-demand product that sells daily. You can also offer custom printed napkins for businesses, which can double or even triple your pricing. With constant demand and repeat orders, this becomes a stable business with reliable profit potential. Number 11. Adhesive Tape Manufacturing Machine. This machine takes large rolls of tape and converts them into smaller rolls ready for sale. It cuts, rolls, and packages them automatically. The machine costs between $300 to $10,000, and it can produce 200 to 500 rolls per hour. Each roll costs around 8 cents to 15 cents to make and sells for 50 cents to $150. Tape is used everywhere, in offices, warehouses, shipping, and retail. It is a product that is always needed and constantly reordered. With consistent demand and simple production, this becomes a volume-based business with solid profit margins over time. Number 12. Blister packaging machine. This machine creates clear plastic packaging used for products like tools, electronics, and accessories. It shapes plastic around the item and seals it with a backing card. The machine costs between $100 to $400, and the cost per package is around 3 cents to 8 cents. You can charge 20 cents to 50 cents per unit for packaging services. Many small businesses need better packaging to sell in stores, but do not have the equipment. This creates an opportunity to offer packaging as a service. It is a behind-the-scenes business, but the demand is strong and the profit margins are very attractive. Number 13. Wood pellet production machine. This machine turns waste materials like sawdust, wood chips, and agricultural leftovers into compact fuel pellets. It is a great way to turn low-value waste into a sellable product. The machine costs around $100 to $400, and the raw material is often free or very cheap. Producing 1 kilo costs about 3 cents to 8 cents, and it sells for 8 cents to 25 cents per kilo. Pellets are used for heating, animal bedding, and more. Demand is growing, especially as people look for cleaner energy options. Since the input cost is low, the profit margins can be strong, especially if you have easy access to raw materials. Number 14. Essential oil extraction machine. This machine extracts essential oils from plants using steam. You can use materials like lavender, eucalyptus, mint, or citrus peels to create natural oils. The machine costs around $500 to $300, and production costs can be as low as $2 to $8 per liter when using local plants. These oils can sell for $15 to $80 per liter, depending on the type. Essential oils are used in cosmetics, candles, soaps, and wellness products. Many regions have plenty of raw materials that go unused. This gives you a chance to create your own brand with high-value products and strong profit margins. Number 15. Coconut charcoal briquette machine. This machine turns coconut shells into high-quality charcoal briquettes that burn longer and produce less smoke. What makes it interesting is that the raw material is usually thrown away, so you are turning waste into a premium product. The machine costs around $200 to $600, and production costs are about 10 cents to 20 cents per kilo. These briquettes can sell for $1 to $3 per kilo, especially in export markets. They are widely used for barbecue, restaurants, and hookah. Since coconut charcoal is seen as a cleaner and better option, demand keeps growing. With low-cost raw material and strong selling prices, this creates excellent profit margins. Number 16. Paper straw manufacturing machine. With plastic bans increasing, paper straws are now in high demand everywhere. This machine takes food-grade paper, rolls it into straws, seals it, and cuts it to size automatically. The machine costs between $300 to $800, and it can produce up to 500 straws per minute. Each straw costs around half a cent to 2 cents to make, and sells for 3 cents to 8 cents wholesale. That might sound small, but at high volume it adds up fast. Restaurants, cafes, and catering businesses constantly need straws. Producing locally helps you save on shipping and deliver faster, which increases your profit margins and makes you more competitive. Number 17. Paper cup manufacturing machine. This machine produces disposable paper cups used by coffee shops, fast food chains, and events. It forms cups from coated paper, seals them, and stacks them automatically. The machine costs around $1,500 to $15,000, and it produces 50 to 100 cups per minute. Each cup costs about 2 cents to 5 cents to make, and sells for 5 cents to 15 cents. You can also offer custom printed cups for businesses, which allows you to charge more. With increasing demand for disposable paper products, this becomes a high-volume business. The combination of scale and repeat orders leads to solid profit margins. Number 18. Disposable glove manufacturing machine. This machine produces disposable gloves used in restaurants, hospitals, salons, and food handling. Demand increased heavily and continues to stay strong. The machine costs between $1,500 to $15,000, and it can produce 100 to 300 gloves per minute. Each glove costs less than 1 cent to make, and a box of 100 sells for $2 to $5. Since gloves are lightweight but bulky, shipping costs are high when imported. Producing locally gives you a big advantage in pricing and delivery. It is a high-demand product with consistent buyers, making it a reliable business with strong profit potential. Number 19. Single-dose coffee capsule machine. This machine lets you create your own coffee capsules, compatible with popular machines people already use at home. You fill it with ground coffee, seal it, and it comes out ready to sell. The machine costs between $2,000 to $6,000. Each capsule costs around 5 cents to 10 cents to produce and sells for 30 cents to 60 cents. The global coffee capsule market is massive, and people are willing to pay more for quality and origin. You can build your own brand using local coffee and sell premium products. The difference between cost and selling price creates very strong profit margins, especially at scale. Number 20. Plastic recycling to 3D printing filament machine. This machine turns used plastic bottles into filament for 3D printers. It crushes, melts, and reshapes plastic into a usable material for printing. The machine costs around $300 to $800, and raw material can cost less than 10 cents per kilo or even be free. 1 kilo of filament sells for $15 to $30. This creates a huge gap between cost and selling price. With more people using 3D printers, demand for filament keeps growing. Eco-friendly products are also becoming more popular. You are not just making a product, you are turning waste into a high-value item with massive profit margins. At the start, you saw how a simple machine can turn something basic into a product people are willing to pay for every single day. Now you have seen 20 different machines doing exactly that, taking simple materials and turning them into real business opportunities. What makes these powerful is not just the machines, it is the fact that the demand already exists. People are already buying these products, businesses already need them, and in many places, they are still being imported instead of made locally. That gap is where the opportunity is. You do not need to invent something new, you just need to produce something better, faster, or closer to your market. Pick one idea that makes sense for you, focus on it, and take the first step.